Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so in today's video I will be doing like a green and gold look today. I'm not gonna lie, I've been into green like literally like so much that it's becoming one of my favorite colors. But anyways, if you want to know what kind of look I'm getting, or I'm gonna get this look or whatever, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see I already did my eyebrows. I actually already applied some foundation on, so we're just gonna go ahead and go into the palette. So the palette I'm gonna be going into today is the Morphe Artistry palette. As you can see, and it does have like some greens I do want to go ahead and play with. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with this yellow color, which is called Sunlight, and use this as a transition color. Alright, so after that I'm going to go in with a different brush and go in with this green color, which is called Nature. I'm just going to bring that out right on top of that transition color we just applied. This video honestly might be like a little short. Oh, wrong one. Alright, now it's time to do the other eye. Get my little small. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of concealer. We're going to go ahead and do like a little crease. Alright, so now what I'm going to go into is I'm going to go in with the Colourpop trail little thingy eyeshadows, and I'm going to go in with the gold. And oh my goodness, falling. This one is called Golden Hour. So what I'm going to do is go back into that flat brush we just used and then pack some of this on and apply this right onto the middle where we just added concealer. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is grab a little bit of mascara and just apply some before I apply any lashes. Alright, while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer. So we're just going to go onto the face and add some concealer while that dries, and then we could like get a sponge. Alright, so let me go ahead and find some lashes to put on. These are pretty. Put on some of these lashes. Alright, you guys, so that is done. So now what I'm going to do is, where I did add some concealer, I'm going to bake it. So I'm going to go in with my Becca Hydra Mist Hydra Mist powder, and just bake where I just concealed. And as I am applying the powder, I dust it right off. Oh no, it's just something new that I'm doing. Well, I've been doing for a little bit now, but it's something new for you guys, I guess. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go in with blush, no, contour, bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the Perk Up, Colourpop Perk Up. This is more like a, excuse me, more like a blush, but I'm using it as bronzer, so oopsies. Alright, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Frisky blush. Frisky, I keep saying freaky, I don't know why, but it's the Frisky blush from Colourpop. And next is highlight, which is one of my favorites. It's the Wet n Wild powdered highlight. Ooh. All right, so next. Thank you. Next. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is go back in with the palette and do the under eye. Wait. Alright, so now last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. But I don't know which one. The story of my life. I don't know which one. I think I'm just gonna go in with like a little gloss. So the gloss I'm gonna go into with is with the Colourpop Lippy Balm. It's more like a balm, but it looks like a gloss to me. Alright, guys. Last but not least, setting spray. You guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.